dressing sharp and I'm acting cool. Got a cheerleader here, wants to help at my paper, let her do all the works. Maybe later I'll rape her. Oh God, I am the American dream. I do not think I'm too extreme, and I'm a handsome son of a bitch. Gonna get a good job and be real rich. Get a good job. Women's liberation been creeping all across the nation. Well, I tell you people, I was not ready when I fucked this guy by the name of Freddie. She made a little speech then. Ooh, she tried to make me say, well, had my balls in a vice, but she left her dick. I guess it's still hooked on, but now it shoots too quick. Oh God, I am the American dream, but now I smell like gasoline. I'm a miserable son of a bitch. Am I a boy or a lady? I don't know which. I wonder. So I went down, bought me a leisure suit. I jingle my change, but I'm still kinda cute. Got a job doing radio promo, and none of the jocks can even tell I'm a homo. Eventually me and a friend sort of drifted along into S&M, and I can take about an hour on the Tower of Power, as long as it gets little golden shower. Oh God, I am the American dream, with a spindle up my butt till it makes me scream. I'll do anything to get ahead. I lay awake nights saying thank you, Fred. Oh God, I'm so fantastic. Thanks to Freddie, I'm a sexual spastic, and my name is Bobby Brown. Watch me now, I'm going down, and my name is Bobby Brown. Watch me now, I'm going down, and my name is Bobby Brown. Watch me now, I'm going down.